everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How are you guys doing today? So I'm getting ready to do another 12 by 12 gallery wrap. I'm gonna keep making these things till I run out because I got them on sale and they're great. I just love the size. It's just one big cup and they're just really fun to play with. So I don't have a lot to talk about right now, but the color inspiration, which I'm going to show you in a second, is this dress. It's got blue, orange, yellow, green, just a mishmash of all the bright sunny summer colors in it, and that's what colors I'm going to be using today, and hopefully it's going to be bright and cheerful because this is going to be a little bit of therapy for me. I am going through a bit of a change in my life right now, and you guys might know what that's code for. Hit me like a brick wall about a month ago, and I've been going through it. So anyway, I've been doing some healthy stuff and getting rid of some bad habits and getting back into my exercise routine, and painting helps. It's very therapeutic for anytime you're feeling low or you know, any of those things that always has a way of perking us back up. So anyway, so this cheerful colored painting is just something to help cheer us all up. All right, so I'm gonna get down to the colors and then we'll get down to the painting and I'll see you guys at the end. So here's the colors. I've got Winsor Newton Cobalt Blue, Basics Cadmium Yellow Light Hue. This is Basics Deep Magenta, and I've got Basics Cadmium Red Light and Cadmium Orange. It's a mix of the two of them because I ran out. And Artist Loft Light Green. The Spot on Treadmill is all in there, and then I got a big cup of white. All right, here we are. So I'm not going to forget I have a gallery wrap today. So I've decided I'm going to fill this cup up a little bit higher just to make sure I have enough paint to go over those sides. All righty. So I'm going to start with white. I've got silicone in all the colors except the white. And I'm going to put white a little bit in throughout the layers too. So it's about to pour here. The gray clouds are hanging over us. But that's been pretty much every day now for a week. And it rains in the late afternoon. And then some white right here. So I was really busy over the weekend and I had to do some resin work and load the pictures into Etsy and stuff. It's such a kind of a job. You know, by the time you get done, you know, you got to be the artist, the creator, the color coordinator, you know, and then you got to do the marketing. And it can kind of be a lot by the time you actually get to the end. And then you just cross your fingers and hope it sells, because that way you have money to make more. So anyway, just giving you guys a heads up that there's a bunch of paintings in my Etsy shop now. And they're this size, and they're resined, and they are great. Love, love it. I'm gonna do another yellow right here over this green. And then I'm gonna go with blue again. Loving that. So I started exercising again, and knowing, because I've exercised really frequently. I guess you should say about 3 days a week for about 20 years. And I'm not even kidding you guys, I just did. So I did green, yellow, blue, then white. And now I'm gonna do pink, orange. Okay. So yeah, I exercised faithfully for many, many years. And then just because I work and my job is a physical job, I was working 5 days a week. At first it was part-time, and then it went into 5 days a week, and it just got to be a lot. So a couple years ago, I stopped working out altogether. And so I really started thinking a lot about, getting back into it and everything. And so I have. And I gotta take it slow so I don't get crazy sore. But I didn't even do that much, and I did get pretty sore. But I'll work my way up. Kind of excited about it, actually. Get my bikini body back. Next summer. It's gonna take a little while. I think I'm gonna put orange on top of this. You know what? I want to end it with blue. And I don't want to put blue on that orange. So I'm going to put a little white right here. And then I can end it with blue. Did that make any sense to you guys? Did you see how I just kind of, it may not work, but you create a little bit of a boundary there. If you know that you might get, because orange and blue make brown. Okay, that cup is ready to go. Cool. So yeah, getting back into my exercise and taking some vitamins and, all that good stuff, trying to be healthy. Most people do this at the beginning of the year, like January or whatever. So I'm the complete oddball. I just decided to do it right now. But, it doesn't matter what motivates you as long as something motivates you. And so yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's gonna take a little while to get back into shape like I used to be. And I'm not expecting to do it overnight or even be, as good of shape as I was in, because I did it solid for 20 years. When you give it up for a couple of years, there's a lot of makeup you have to do. So I just want to feel strong and get those natural, what is it? What is that? Serotonin? That's an antidepressant. So that would be fun. Come on, baby. Just want to make sure I get all that paint. Now I am going to flip and lip this. I've already decided. I really lipped it, didn't I? It's like a crazy roller coaster. Cool. Okay. Let me get my torch. Okay, got my torch. And I'm gonna wait because I got stripes going on and cells going on, so less is more. That's, yeah, I can tell already. Can you guys see that opening up? I love the white in there. For some reason, that's really been making me happy. We've got purple. Well, no, that's probably the deep magenta. Lots of colors. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, so just so this rolls nice and easy, I'm gonna go ahead and put some white across here. It's just the way I happen to flip it. And I just use my finger. So did you guys have a great 4th of July? We went and saw the fireworks here in Port Orange in the city center over there, and they did a fantastic job. I mean it, they did so good. This is gonna be really colorful. I can tell already, and that makes me happy. Just gonna roll around a little bit, get a feel. Yeah, we had a really nice time for 4th of July, lighting up our sparklers and stuff. I've been really into the bright colors lately, and I'm just gonna go with it. Come on, baby. Colors just make me happy. I'm planning out another big painting, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a lot of blues. I don't know specifically yet, but I love big blue paintings too, so these cells are perfect. And I'm glad I didn't over torch. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a close-up on that one. I can't point at it yet, but there is a gorgeous one. This one's gonna be nice. Okay, I might need a little liquid help here. A little loose. Here we go. Will that help you? Slide a little bit. That one I was just talking about, I'm going to point at it. It's just going to get huge now. Right there. Oh my god, I love this one, you guys. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy. Yay! Check my size real quick. I'm just gonna make this corner look pretty right here. A little extra yellow touch. Because it's got yellow going on. I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. Okay, everybody, here it is. So look at these pink and green ones right here. This corner, love. Beautiful ring cells. This one right here. Oh my God, I love that one. Where is it? Right there. Love that one. This beautiful green in the center, and then this bright corner up here. Wish I had more like that. Awesome. And so this is where the blue, just a teeny bit, and the orange, see the white around it? It didn't work. Like it went a little bit brown. See? Because I did that. I tried to block it with white, and it did kind of work, but it still didn't work all the way, right? So just a little bit there. Watch your blue and your orange together. Just separate them. But there it is, everybody. Love this one. Show you the sides, because the sides will melt away. Sometimes you get to see the cells and they stick to the side, but that's not even the best one. The best one is this side. Right there. Yeah. Those pretty bright cells. But there it is, everybody. Haven't thought of a name yet. Hopefully I'll think of one by the time I post this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know. Like my video if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Happy pouring. Bye.